feature we have added this ADX, DI plus and DI minus and this RSI, right? What this RSI feature indicate is once you click on this RSI zone, right? This for my specific indicator is based on condition based. So I will explain you the condition of the RSI what we use for specific trading purpose. Okay, once I click on this RSI, I'll be getting the confirmation of the trades. You can see here these are the RSI confirmation trades, yellow color, right? The color will be changed whenever the condition is matching. What this yellow color indicates, right? So this is this below indicator is a secondary indicator I mainly use for the confirming the trade. That is RSI and ADX combination, right? That I mainly use for trend confirmation. The gray zone which you are looking here, that is the sideways market zone, right? You can see here the sideways market, this whole sideways market, right? The gray area indicate the sideways market. I have kept the white candles, right? Whenever the blue line is in between this gray zone, the candle will be white. Okay, once you can see here the long signal has confirmed RSI condition is matching, it's above 40, above 60, sorry, RSI is above 60. That confirm the RSI condition and the color of the signal will be yellow. You can see here also the color is yellow, right? Here you can see the short signal, but RSI is not confirming. For short signal you have to always look for RSI is below 40, right? 40 or 45. It's not below 45, so the signal is noise, so it will be automatically removed from the chart, right? So this is the confirming trade. You can see here also the RSI is confirmed, it's below 40, sell signal is confirmed, right? Here even the ADX as well. So let me explain you this secondary indicator, else you have to wait. Let's understand. This is the RSI. I hope this RSI condition is matched, is understood by you how exactly it works. If RSI is above 60, you have to go for a long signal. If RSI is below 40 or 45, you have to go for a short signal. For long you can consider 55 45, sorry 55 60, above 55 or above 60 you can go for a long, and below 45 or 40 you can go for a short. Okay, I hope the RSI condition is specific clear. Now let's discuss DI plus DI minus, right? So I am just activating here DI plus and DI minus. So what that exactly indicates, let's discuss. Okay, so here you can see this, once you activate the DI plus DI minus, the signal will be shorted and you can get the sorted signals, condition based, condition match based signals. You can see here, even here as well, last signal, right? So what is this DI minus and DI plus, how exactly it acts, let's discuss. So here you can see this red line that indicates DI minus, directional index minus, and this the green line that indicates DI plus. DI plus indicate the positive movement, buy movement, and this DI minus indicate the sell movement. Okay, so this is the DI plus DI minus. So what is the condition? Let's understand exactly what is the condition for trending market, sideways market, and sell signal. Okay, so whenever you get this blue color, right, that indicates that ADX is matching. What is the ADX? This long, we can see the buy momentum. Buy momentum indicates the DI plus. We have to always look for buy signal when the DI plus is above this 20 line. You can see this dotted line, that is 20, right? We have to look for the DI plus, it should be above 20, right? Once it will be above 20, the buy signal confirmation is done. Okay, after that what you have to look for, you can see here buy signal has confirmed, and next is you have to look for the DI minus should be below 20. That means the sell confirmation should be 0. Once you see the DI minus below this 20 line, that means the sell confirmation is over, right? There is no any sell momentum, the only buy momentum is going on. That means the DI plus is above 20, that indicates only buy momentum will be there. Same you can see here. Here also it's a confirmation of the short movement, right? So DA minus is above this 20 level and DA plus is below 20 level. That indicates that DA minus means sell momentum is there, buy momentum has been over. Okay, so this is the confirmation for short signal, sell signal. Okay, now let's understand the sideways market. When will be the sideways market? RSI, you already know the gray zone in between. Whenever the blue line is between the gray zone, it will be sideways market. You already know, right? So now let's discuss. You can see the HCL has given the signal here. Okay, I already told means in the video earlier. So what is the condition for sideways market? See, if the DI plus and DI minus is below 20 level, if DI plus and DI minus will be below 20 level or above the 20 level, you can see here the above 20 level, below 20 level, that indicates market is sideways. You can see here as well, right? This DI plus and DI minus both are above 20. Above 20, that indicates the market is range bound, right? You can see here as well, market is range bound. Let me show you next example over here. You can see here the market is range bound, whole market is range bound. So there are three conditions. Let me explain right over here itself, so at least you can know. Color should be white, so at least you can also note down the points, guys. ADX, let's understand RSI. If RSI greater than 55 or 60, look for long. If RSI less than 45 or 40, this is the RSI condition, right? This is, I mainly recommend this as a base condition for RSI. And if RSI line between 55 or 60 and 45 or 55, then sideways. Okay, I hope it's clear. So whenever the RSI line is between 50-60 zone, then it will be, market will be sideways. Just a second, let me refresh the page. See guys, video is long, but it will be easy to understand you and clear your doubts. So if you face any problem, you can call me on the below number. I will come on the desk and explain you your doubts. Okay, so guys, you can see here what we have written. Okay, now see, you can see here if the RSI is on in between 60-40, you can see the market is sideways on the chart as well. Okay, so now let's discuss for ADX. If DI plus ABOVE 20 and DI minus yellow 20, you can say, let's say 19. Buy signal confirmation, right? For buy signal confirmation, look for, the DI plus should be above 20 and DI minus should be below 19. Similar for sell signal, DI plus should be below 20 and DI minus should be above 19, means above 20 I can say, sorry. It's fine, you can take 20, 19, it's as per your requirement. Baki it will work, don't worry. So this is the this DI plus, if it's above 20, you can go for a buy confirmation. You can see here the DI plus on the chart, DI plus is above 20 and DI minus is below 20. You got a blue signal, okay, right? So this is the confirmation signal, fine. And now let's discuss the sideways zones. There are three conditions for sideways, so let's discuss that. If DI plus and DI minus above, or there are two conditions I'm mentioning in the same part. If DI plus and DI minus is above or below 20 level, it's sideways, okay. So I hope it's understood. Let's discuss. It's not over yet. It's too long, and let me show you first clear this chart, so at least you can note it down. Let me show the example of this. You can see here the sideways market, that is DI plus and DI minus is below 20 level. So this condition is confirmed, right? Now another condition, this is the one condition. Two condition is I have mentioned over here, DI plus DI minus, if it's above or below it will be sideways market. Next is if DI plus or DI minus moving PARRA parallel to 20 level. If DI plus and DI minus is moving parallel to 20 level, that also indicate sideways. Guys, please note it down, these points for sideways market, right? So if DI plus or DI minus is above or below 20 level, then it will be sideways, as here I explained. If DI minus and DI plus moving parallel to 20 level, let me show you that as well. You can see here moving parallel, right? Here as well. So all the signals are shorted, and you'll get the shorted signals only. Whenever you see the blue signal, that indicates that ADX condition has matched, DI plus DI minus condition is matched, but RSI condition has not matched. Sorry, RSI condition, you have to look for this as well, okay. Sorry for interruption. So now next, let's discuss the next feature. Okay, that is ADX, common ADX line, that is this yellow. This yellow line indicates the power in the specific trend, right? Whenever you see the yellow line above 20, it will give you power for either buy or either sell, okay guys. And whenever you see yellow line above and green line above, that indicates you sell momentum, right? Sorry, buy momentum. You can see I'm just activating this ADX, so at least you can come to know what are the signals are confirming the ADX with confirmation with ADX, right? You can see here the ADX confirmation. Yellow line is above 20, you will get the confirmation for long. You have to look for RSI. You can see RSI is above 55, then you can go ahead for the trade, okay. Same here, you can see here the long signal, right? The RSI is almost heading towards the 60 level, right? So you can go for a trade. Mainly our entry goes in the next candle opening, okay. You can see here the ADX line, yellow line is above 20, so that indicates the trend is confirmation, right? Confirmed. The ADX power, you can see DA minus is above 20 and yellow line is also above 20. So you got the good signal. Like how many points you have captured you here, you can see here. Let's take example, if you entry here and go to the resistance part, it's 19 points, I mean it's 11 points, 11 or 12 points something. Okay, it's Indian chart. You can apply my indicator in each and every, market, either in forex, either in crypto, commodity, even in stock market, even in index, on options as well. Okay, so I hope you have understood this ADX, RSI and DA plus DA minus. So here you can check mark on this all three options, right? Whatever condition which we are doing manually, it will get automated and show you on the chart using this check marking these options, right? Now see, let's see this one by one. So let me show you one by one. uh, let's understand first RSI. As I told, whenever you find RSI in between this gray zone, there will be a sideways market, right? So here you can see, here you got the RSI confirmation on the candle, but on the next candle you got, the market was sideways. Here you can see that once you click on this RSI, you'll get this yellow arrows, right? That arrow shows that specific signal is having RSI confirmation. Here you will see RSI confirmation, but on the next candle it got vanish. Why? Because we generally enter in the next candle only, right? So this is the noise. You do not have to enter in specific signal. So here you get a confirmation of RSI, right? You can see each and every candle. So here you didn't get a confirmation of RSI, but on the breakout of RSI you can regenerate your position. You can enter in, once you get a breakout, you can enter over here. See, you can see these white candles on the chart. What that indicates, see, I have adjusted this below indicator TG ADX RSI. Whenever here this blue line goes in between this 60-40 zone, you will find white candles on the chart. If you want to change the color, you can go to the RSI indicator settings and go to the style section, and you can change this bar color option. So if you do not want this white color, you can change the color. If you do not want any color, you can just uncheck, the color will be removed. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, so you can see here you don't get RSI confirmation, right? And the white candles, you can see market is sideways. Okay, so here you can see there is no confirmation. Here it got a confirmation of RSI as a market break, gap down, gap up. You can see here you got the RSI confirmation, RSI confirmation, RSI confirmation, right? Now here you didn't get RSI confirmation, but on next candle you got a RSI confirmation over here. You can see after that you can enter the position, and we'll discuss each and everything, all conditions one by one, step by step, don't worry. And it's not like you have to enter in each and every trade, or you have to do buy sell buy sell. So don't worry, I'll be guiding you each and everything. So yeah, as you have understood the RSI, now let's discuss the next feature, that is DA plus DA minus. I'm just unchecking this RSI option. So what this DI plus DI minus indicates, the buy trend and the sell trend. Whenever the DI plus and DI minus condition will be matching, you will get this blue signal. You can see this blue signal here, the short signal. The DI minus condition has matched. Here DI plus condition has matched, but RSI condition was not matching. So you do not have to enter in specific trade, right? So you can see backward as well. Here DA plus DA minus didn't match, it matched over here. You can see here on the next candle as well. You can see here it has breakout, and here it has matched. You can see here you have DA minus confirmation, a plus confirmation, DA minus confirmation, plus confirmation, plus confirmation, minus confirmation, right? So this is DI plus DA minus confirmation. And last is ADX confirmation, that I don't recommend, but if you want ADX confirmation, you can click on ADX. You will get plus sign at the time of ADX. What ADX is, whenever you see this yellow line, yellow line is of ADX line. Whenever the yellow line is above 20 baseline, you will find the plus sign. You will get this plus sign accordingly. You can see this is the plus sign. It has the ADX confirmation. It has the ADX confirmation. Okay, so now let's check all three options and understand how exactly it's working. Whenever you see all check mark all three options, you will see here example. Let's take here we got a short signal blue that indicates we have DI minus confirmation, DI plus confirmation as well. It is below 20, right? So we have the strong sell trend over here. And next you can see the yellow arrow that indicates you the RSI confirmation as well. So you can see here the market trend is very strong bearish, right? So you can go and enter in a short position from next confirmation candle, and these are the support zones. You can book your profit on your support zone accordingly, right? Whenever you see this here also, this is a similar. You can see long signal, you can enter in next candle, you can book your profit on the next confirmation, next resistance zone, and book your profit, right? So it works on each and every market. You can see here it got a RSI confirmation, but didn't get DA plus DA minus confirmation. Even it didn't get means ADX confirmation. So think before you enter in this range bound market. Okay, so this is also a very good feature which you can use. And next you can see show ADX screener. This feature, those who do not want to use this below indicator, they can use this check mark this indicator and use these values. Here you can see the RSI is 52, right? DI minus means this DI plus, that is green line, that is 14, DI minus, that is 14, and ADX, that is 9, right? This all three are in, I can see in the sideways market. You can see from here it's whole sideways market, right? ADX conditions we'll discuss in the next video in upcoming session. I already discussed this ADX in detail. I'll add on this in this playlist only, whole playlist only. So this is the feature. Those who want to use this ADX screener, this all feature, and those who do not want to use this below indicator, you can just activate from here and use it from your end.